that?
How to block.
How to put some blocks?
Yeah.
And what's this?
This one is the bar.
Can I take a picture of you with your shop?
Yeah, come. Whoa, why does that have bottle? Yeah.
What's that one? No, this one. What's this?
Ketchup.
You put ketchup on your ice cream? Your fish live there? At the garden? Can you put some ketchup on your fish?
No.
Ano yan? What are you going to cook?
Wow, we're gonna cook eggs. Oh no.
Saira, look. Jigig. Jigig.
Ay.
Look at Saira. What are you going to cook, Saira? Yes! Saira is cooking. Look, Saira is cooking some fish.
Magico.
Where?
Daddy, I'm gonna put a fish.
Okay. Where?
That way.
Okay. Saira.
Yung tipong papasok ka sa trabaho tapos makakita ka ng gandong sasakyan sa kalsada. Christmas light nilagay sa buong sasakyan niya, di ba? Amazing. Ang kulit.
Nak, look at here. Oh. Be careful, baka ano ka na, nahilo ka na. Oh. Kiss mo sila, kiss mo to. What's there on your refrigerator?
Oh, I just gonna find more fish. Find a family fish.
Wow, that's a fish. Can you cook it?
No, it's her friend. Kaya ng magic ko. Wow! Oh no.
Uncle Marleris, can you cook the fish?
Hey!
Saina, can you cook the fish? Saina. Can you cook this one? Nak, look, what's that? Uncle Marlery's have.
Wow!
It's a skunk.
No! It's like everything's so dirty.
Yes.
Yeah! I don't like an animal. I know how to cook the fish. I guess Lily is that.
Em. You just linis the fish so you can cook it.
No!
Can you slice my fish? I want to eat it.
No! Gotta find another fish. Find another fish. Come with me. Come with me.
Oh, you don't like the big fish. Can you cook the small fish?
No!
Why?
Mine.
That's your pet? Can you cook the skunk?
What?
Can you cook the skunk?
Can I cook this piggy? Can I cook this piggy here? Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's time to cook.
No!
Now, can you put it on the bucket?
Daddy, can you find the bucket?
Okay.
Can you find the bucket?
Sige, lapit. No, it's just an air. It's just an air. Ah. Look, Uncle Marlery's is firing. You want to go there? You and mommy's friend? Who's mommy's friend? A girl? Sukli yan. Is that your shop? Stand up ka dito, anak ko. I will take you a picture. Dito. Nak, look. Saan ka ba? Nak, look.